5 2s are 5 5s are 5 7s are 35. 2 2s are 4. Kilometer. Okay, next here. A recipe for a cake requires 3 by 4 cup of
White chocolate.
If Neera wants to make 2.5 3 by 4 into 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 5 by 2 3 by 2 15 4 to the 8 ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ 1.5 into 7 by 10 3 by 4 into 2.5 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ Well, my 440 na tea and time ala.
Na chocolate istavannave. Chocolate istamle kuchu. Sare.
Ilena 600 and 200 madala avittu. This answer is to okay. Question in question time kadide. Time pata na 600 kilometers time cover ಮಾಡೋದು.
Chocolate.
Find the speed of the car and the time taken by the car to cover 600 kilometers. Speed is equals to distance by time. But in load kene, in load 440 divided by 11 by 5. 440. Quadrat glue. Quadrat time quadrat. Divide t ಮಾಡು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋ. ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು 600. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಿರೋದು 200. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 3. ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 3 hours. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಲಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I read 2 by 9 of a book on Friday. 2 by 9 Friday. 1 by 3 of it on Saturday. Saturday 1 by 3. Remaining 160 pages on Sunday. 160 pages. 2 by 9 ಏನದು?